morning, YouTube viewers. Welcome to my channel. And once again, I'm commuting from Burnley to Manchester. I've not done this driving vlog for quite a while. But anyways, it's a very lovely day. Channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. If you've been with me all these years, if you watch my channel, and once again, every year we go on another trip. Time. Next Sunday. Sunday the 19th. We'll be traveling again back to Africa, where we'll be exploring the beautiful country of South Africa, Zimbabwe. This time I want to catch the overnight train from the city of Bulawayo to Victoria Falls, which is gonna be fun and definitely looking forward to it. You could say the service is not very reliable. It's just been reinstated. So it should be fun. It's more about adventure really, because I've not been on a train in Zimbabwe for a very long time. I think for the last 32 years or so. The good thing is that the National Railway Authority of Zimbabwe has started to the services from the city of Bulawayo to Victoria Falls. The train will be departing on Friday evening, arriving in Victoria Falls Saturday morning, then departing again Sunday evening and arriving in the city of Bulawayo on Monday morning. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. And before that, we'll be, of course, exploring the city of Johannesburg and South Africa at large. It just depends where I'm going to be at any particular time. But wherever I am, I'm going to try and get some very good content for this channel. So in the meantime, let's just navigate our way through the traffic this lovely day for British summer. And this week the weather prediction is that it's going to be another very hot week this week and next week, so definitely looking forward to it. And I think this year has seen the highest temperature in terms of the heat wave. So I think 3 records have been broken so far with the heat. It's not just the UK, it's all over Europe. Anyways, let's navigate our way to Manchester. got some roadworks again on the M60, and it's causing mayhem. We're just bumper to bumper with the traffic. It's not a good experience. Church sermon. Well, why not? If there's this traffic, you got all the time in the world to listen to a church service on your way to work. thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and to my subscribers, thank you for supporting this channel, and let's keep growing this channel, and please watch through all the adverts. That's how we generate income to keep doing what I love doing, which is getting some beautiful content, traveling different places. And thank you so much. And I'm definitely looking forward to the upcoming trip to Africa. And as you can see in this channel, we cover walking tours. I do walking tours, driving vlogs, and aviation, which is what I love doing, mostly aviation. And definitely I will be getting you some footage of my experiences with different airlines. I think on Sunday we'll be flying from Manchester using Ryanair, which should be fun because Ryanair is known for very uncomfortable hard landing. And then from there we will be using Egyptian Airways, and their track record at the moment in terms of losing luggage. Passengers' luggage is it's not looking so good, so fingers crossed I don't lose my luggage when I arrive in Johannesburg. But from previous accounts from my close friends that have used Egyptian Airways, they have lost their luggage, and some people actually took about a month to help to get their luggage back. So I'm hoping it's not the case with me. So that should be fun. And so we'll fly from Dublin to Cairo. So I'll get you another vlog there of my flight experience with the Egyptian Airways. And I'm flying during the World Cup final, so hopefully my flight from Cairo to Johannesburg, the aircraft that we're going to be using is going to have internet, so I can watch the final of the World Cup. So yeah, so stay tuned to this channel. There's definitely more exciting content that's going to be coming up on this channel. And once again, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, and also give this video a thumbs up so that you get notified every time I load new videos. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.